Hello everyone, today I will teach you how to use Gemini AI. So, let's get started. Gemini is the latest AI language model of Google, and it also has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers. However, Gemini AI is still not available to the public, but we can try Gemini Ultra through Bard Advanced. So, I'm going to teach you how to use Bard. First, you need to go to Bard's website, which is bard.google.com. Once you're here, you might want to sign in first. So once you're signed in, just click Try Bard. It will then show you terms and privacy. So just scroll down till the very end and just click I agree. Once you're here, you can interact with Bard. With Bard, you can experience benefits of Gemini Pro. Bard Advanced is a new version of Bard that is powered by Gemini Ultra. It offers a number of few new features and improvements. To use Bard, you can just type any prompt you like, and Bard can just give you what you need. You can also use Bard for suggestions or for questions like see the sights, word riddle, pickleball or tennis, new job advice, and many more. One of the cool things about Bard is that it can integrate with other Google services. For example, you can just use Gmail for Bard to summarize your emails. Just type @Gmail in the chat, and in a few seconds, it can give you a summary. You would be needing an extension for this though. So if you want it, Bard can just simply ask you if you need the extension, and you can just click on continue for you to have the extension quickly without any hassle. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.